Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to activate a TD Bank credit card online. First, contact TD Credit Card Activations using the toll-free number on the activation sticker of your new Canadian credit card. If you can't find the sticker, you can call 1-877-491-6062 for assistance. Alternatively, you can activate your card through the TD app by logging in, selecting your credit card account, and clicking on Activate Now. For a TD US dollar Visa credit card, call 1-888-431-1920 or use the TD app to activate the card. Make sure you have your new card ready before calling. Once activated, sign the back of your card and destroy the old one if replacing it. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.